Hello?
2:40 a.m. This fire is about to swallow the whole house. With people still sleeping inside, saving lives is the only thing that matters right now. There is no time to wait.
Is it just you here? Is it just you here?
No, she's here too.
Okay, well, where's she at? I'm around back. I just had to open the door. You guys gotta come out.
Where you at?
You gotta get up. Yo, I'm so sorry, ma'am. Your porch is on fire. You gotta hurry. You gotta hurry, ma'am. We gotta hurry. You gotta put a blanket over or something.
Where's she at?
Right here. It's 117. I had to kick it in the back door.
Come on, guys. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go,
Come
go.
on, guys.
Go. I know, I'm sorry.
Come on.
We gotta go.
Easy, she can't walk.
I know.
111 in dispatch. Can you let fire know we're bringing 2 people out the back? Here, cover up, honey.
At 60 plus years old, waking up to a lungful of smoke is a nightmare. They are confused and can barely breathe. The officer has to be their eyes and their lungs right now.
I think we're okay right now. We just need people to block
This
the
way, boss. Get away from the house.
We gotta get out of here somehow.
Can we go through the garage? Yeah.
Is there a way for me to get in there?
On your peas.
No, you can't. Let fire know we're in the back, please. 117 dispatch. Yeah, we can't go that way, buddy. All right, we're gonna have to get through here, guys. We can't stay here. We're gonna get all this smoke to us. I'm gonna have to boot this door. Okay, you hear me? Come on. Let's go.
Inside this garage, they are finally safe. It is a solid shield between them and the inferno. The officer just pulled them out of the kill zone and into the clear.
You want that wheelchair? Here you go. I'm gonna put this on you, okay? All right.
Yeah,
Here you go, hon. Have a seat in this.
help me. Where you want me to go? What do you?
Nobody else inside, apparently. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 2 of them? Yep.
Yep. Go ahead and have a seat, hon. It is 2:45, sir.
Thanks for waking us up.
Well, I'm sorry.
No, I
That's
meant
a bad-
thanks.
yeah,
I
yeah.
wasn't being sarcastic.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't breathe in there. I was like,
I went running up.
That's why
beside
when
it.
you said, you all right?
Yeah, I went running up beside the house, and it was like hot.
No, I just came right around back, man. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, I got to get in the back door.
How'd you get around?
What do you mean?
Around by the house?
Yeah, I opened the gate up.
Okay. Yeah, I seen the gate open. And I thought you said they were inside, so.
Is it just you two live here?
Yes.
Okay.
The officers from the Dayton Police Department are the true definition of heroes. While the house was being swallowed by flames, they chose to run in and bring those 2 residents back to safety. But there is a life-saving lesson here for everyone. In a fire, smoke is your biggest enemy. If you ever find yourself trapped, stay low where the air is cleaner. Also, try to grab a blanket or a piece of cloth, getting it wet is even better, to protect yourself from the heat and filter out the toxic smoke. These small actions save lives. If you respect the courage these officers show every day, hit that subscribe button and join the Blue Line Raw community. Stay safe out there.